In the city of Nevada, Texas, just behind the newly built community high school, sits the Lexington Heights community by Cope Homes. Let's check them out.
Guys, you're gonna love this house. I am just speechless. Every part of it, fantastic. Check it out. You know, I like fireplaces that go all the way up. Wow, just look at that kitchen. Just wanted to give an idea of just how big this space is. Follow me. See what I mean? Massive. In case you're one of those people that does not like storage in your island, you got another island just for that. And over here we have the bathroom with the door to the outside. Over here is a great coffee setup. I would love that. And you know what your pantry is missing? A refrigerator. Check it out. And this is a garage, but obviously this is the model, so it's sort of a design showcase center. All right, let's go upstairs. Upstairs is split up into kind of sleeping and entertainment. This will be the game room. I guess with some blackout curtains, this will be the media room. This is a cool feature, unfinished bonus room. Lots of choices there to do what you want with it. And then back here we have one bedroom and a bath. Oh, and another bath. It's a big house. Here we got attic access. Nice room. Cool little seating area. Can maybe turn that into like a desk area. Double sink bathroom here for the kids. That's really nice. Or adults. Adults can sleep up here too, right? Just decorated like kids to give you kind of that idea. Nice large window. It's fantastic. So what do you think? In this laundry room, plenty of room. I love having a sink in the laundry room. Giant 8-foot doorways, solid wood doors. You could put a bed in this closet, especially with this window right here. Quartz countertops, freestanding bathtub, and here is the master. Giant ceilings, large windows, lots of light, as you can tell by my face. Alright, as you may have noticed, these signs everywhere. Just wanted to show some of the things that are luxury features that are included, and then some of the things that are upgrades. The first here, mahogany front door, electric deadbolt, Wi-Fi enabled. Go through these kind of quickly. Engineered hardwood floors downstairs. Eight-foot solid wood doors downstairs. And if you come visit these with me, you can feel they are solid wood. Now this built-in, as you see, is an upgrade. Both of those. The fireplace going to the ceiling is an upgrade. Definitely one that I like. Some plans have this sliding glass door. You'll see just how big it is. Imagine that all the way opened up. It's cold today, so I'm leaving it closed. So many things included. Quartz countertops. The hardware on the cabinets are included. 5-burner cooktop. Pull out trash drawer. KitchenAid appliances, double ovens. Soft close cabinets. And drawers. Here we have a built-in desk in the mudroom. Also, a really nice mudroom. Also included is going to be the Wi-Fi enabled garage door openers. Can't really show those, but you can imagine. Guessing those would be either Chamberlain or LiftMaster. They're the same brand. Covered back patio. Very tall. Gas stub for grill. Right here. That tile work is an upgrade. The third faucet is an upgrade because dual shower heads, frameless shower glass. You also see this freestanding tub is included. Upstairs in the game room you have this wet bar with sink and mini fridge, and that's included. I already mentioned the unfinished bonus room. A lot of options there. And finally, a bookshelf wall in the downstairs office.
In addition to Lexington Heights, they also have Capitol Hill in Anna, Texas, as well as Hidden Valley and Hidden Valley 2 in Princeton, Texas. And coming soon, there'll be Bear Creek in Nevada, Texas, and also Cobble Creek and Roland's Ranch in Farmersville. As of this recording, they have 29 1+ acre lots available, including the Rushmore that we just looked at, and also a similar floor plan, the Manor. And on the north side of the community, they have a Liberty and Adams available now, and a Roosevelt coming in August. So there you have it. That's Cope Homes in Nevada, Texas. If you'd like to check them out, I would be happy to show you around. Just call or text the number here or send me an email. My team and I, we specialize in new construction all over the DFW area. And as always, we don't know you need help until you reach out.